Ndisebenza apha eChris Hani District, ndingu-Vice Pol Compliance Coordinator, looking at all 29 stations zale district in terms of compliance around the issues of service delivery, GBV and other matters around i-Vice Pol. Singu-SAPS sifuna ukugxininisisa into yokuba i-16 days of activism is not just the 16 days, but we are working towards i-365 days of activism against any form of crime and trying to ensure that all communities are safe and secure. Yeyona nto esiyisebenzelayo leyo, and sifuna ukugxininisisa into yokuba i-community interaction, community involvement nokuqinisekisa kwamakhaya into yokuba are-preserved ukuze sakhe ikamva elihle elizayo lelizwe lethu, because anything around crime or any form of violence iza nentsusa yasemakhaya. So as SAPS in the Chris Hani District, we are in the fight against any form of gender-based violence and femicides.
Eastern Cape, home of legends.